Good day, Ma'am Josie. Today, I will be sharing with you a unique and creative recitation, blindfolded. I'll be presenting the three examples of techniques, styles, genres, or materials from six different art forms: painting, dance, music, architecture, performing arts, and sculpture. Let's explore the diversity and beauty of each form, even without the sense of sight, because true art speaks to all our senses. Let's begin. Number 1. Painting, oil painting, and impressionism. Number 2. Dance, classical ballet, modern dance, and hip-hop and street dance. Number 3. Music, classical, popular music, and world music. Number 4. Sculpture, carving versus modeling, and materials. Number 5. Architecture, Renaissance architecture, and modernism. Number 6. Performing arts, theater, music, and dance.